Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to use Android parental control. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use Android parental controls with Google Family Link. First, install the Google Family Link. Go to the Google Play Store and search for Google Family Link. Install it on both your device and your child's device, other mobile device, tablet, etc. Open the app on your device. Launch Family Link on your phone by tapping Open. Sign in with your Google account. Use the Google account you'll use to manage your child's device. Then hit Continue. Now tap on Add Child. Then tap Yes. Grab your child's device. On the child's device, open Settings, Google, go to All Services section, then tap Parental Controls. Then you have to provide the PIN to proceed. Link the devices. Follow the code or sign-in instructions to link your account to your child's device. Once you link both devices, follow the next step. Set screen time limits. In the Family Link on your phone, go to Screen Time. Here, go to Time Limits, then make sure to toggle on Daily Limit. Then go to Weekly Schedule to set daily screen time limits. Once you make changes, tap on Done. Set bedtime, device downtime. Tap on the lock to lock the child's phone instantly. Manage app downloads and usage. Review app activity. Approve or block apps. And set filters. For example, block adult content. By going to Controls, then tap on Google Chrome and Web. Then toggle Try to block explicit sites. Now go back again and tap on Google Search. Then choose Off to enable to see the explicit images. Track device location and lock remotely. Now go back again by tapping the arrow from the top left. Then go to Location. Here, you can check your child's location and lock the phone remotely using Family Link. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.